welcome back to my channel. So for today's new video, we're gonna be doing the scissor tap step. But before we get into the video, if this is the first video you watch, or if you've been watching my videos for a while and you like it, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also please subscribe to the channel because it really does help. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for the scissor tap step, you're gonna be starting with a shuffle. And the shuffle, I use my right foot. So how to do a shuffle, you just brush your foot forward and then brush it back. So you're gonna hit the floor, hit the floor. So I'm gonna have my foot facing forward, my right foot, forward, back. So you brush your foot, hit the floor, hit the floor. So again, brush forward, back, brush forward, back, brush forward, back. So you hit the floor twice, shuffle, hit the floor, hit the floor. But with the shuffle, we're going to be doing it on a bit of a diagonal. So my knee is out to the side and my foot's out to the side. With that right foot, same thing with the shuffle, you go forward, back, but you're on a bit of a diagonal. So shuffle. Again, a couple times, shuffle. One more time, shuffle. Okay, from here, you're gonna go up on your tippy toes, which can seem hard, but luckily you're only up for like a second. So it doesn't last very long, but because I'm breaking it down, we're gonna be holding it up there for a little bit longer. So we do shuffle, then from here, you're gonna go on the right of your tippy toes and then left. So you're gonna go up, up. Okay, so again, it's shuffle, toe, toe. One more time, shuffle, right, left. Now from here, you're up on your tippy toes. So we just did right, left. Then from here, I'm not gonna hold it up because it's hard to balance, but imagine you're up on your tippy toes. I'm gonna use my right foot. Your right foot, the ball of your foot is gonna come down, and then you're gonna go on your heel. So it's tippy toes, ball of the foot, heel. Again, tippy toes, ball of the foot, heel. Tippy toes, ball of the foot, heel. So all together with the shuffle, with the right foot, shuffle, right, left, ball of the foot, heel. Now your left foot is still up, then you're gonna do a shuffle on the left side. So you're gonna continue it on. So let's do it a couple times on the right side and then we'll move on to the left. So it's shuffle, toe, toe, ball of foot, heel. Again, a little bit faster. Shuffle, right, left, ball of foot, heel. Shuffle, right, left, ball, heel. One more time on the right side. Ready, and shuffle, toe, toe, ball, heel. Now, again, you're going to now do a shuffle on the left side. So, shuffle. And that foot is on a bit of a diagonal, like it was on the right. So we do shuffle. Now you're gonna go up on your tippy toes, but it's gonna be left, right, and then from here, imagine we're on our tippy toes, but we're just gonna use our left foot. You're gonna do ball of your foot, heel. So the same thing on the left side. So ball, heel. Up on that tippy toe, ball, heel. Tippy toe, ball, heel. So going from the left side, doing the shuffle, we just finished here. Now we do shuffle, left, right, ball, heel. Again, a couple times. Ready, and shuffle, left, right, ball, heel. One more time. Ready, and shuffle, toe, toe, ball, heel. Okay, now you would continue doing it to the right. So let's do it to the right and then to the left. Okay? Ready, and shuffle, toe, toe, ball, heel. Shuffle, toe, toe, ball, heel. Very good. Okay, so let's do it a bit faster without any pauses from right to left. Okay, get yourself ready. 5, 6, 7, and shuffle, toe, toe, ball, heel. Shuffle, toe, toe, ball, heel. Okay, so now let's do it 4 times without any pauses and going roughly around the same speed, starting with the right foot with that shuffle. 5, 6, 7, and shuffle, toe, toe, ball, heel. Shuffle, toe, toe, ball, heel. Shuffle, ball, heel. Okay, this is gonna be the last time we're gonna do it. We're gonna go from right to left without any pauses, but this time I'm not gonna say anything. Okay, so get yourself ready with that right foot, with that shuffle. And 5, 6, 7, and. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time.